Hi everybody, today I will be teaching you in the 2D modeling. 2D modeling is very easy to use, right? To explain, easy to set up the parameter, and clean up is in your display, right? Easy to explain, easy to look at. Looking at it, my model, right? Okay, look at this. So I will review some parameter, right? Because last video I explained about how is the parameter affect to the station performance, right? In the process, I had a station, right? Station, right? The machine, right? If I set up a new parameter in this block, dialog box, right? You set up the parameter in the tab time, set up time, failure time, and axis, right? Exit tab mean okay, you can define about the output, right? It come out, right? And the product come out from the station to next station. Okay, you can find by a percentage, right? Okay, this is the parameter, right? The parameter sort, right? I explain the last video. Okay, you can set up about how many raw material you use in the process, in the limited limited production time, right? Maybe 1 day, 2 day, something, right? Or you can define how many the raw material you will set up to the source, can be supplying to something to the process, right? Okay, the minus mean unlimited, right? And the interval, okay, is when the source supply to the process, right? You can set up the start time and stop, right? Okay, in the interval, right? Interval and the gap, the period time, one piece and two pieces, right? And three, okay, in the order in the gap time, when the first one supply to the process, and second one, okay, supply the process, right? uh, how long is the first product and second product, okay, waiting, okay, how long is waiting, how long the time waiting the supply to the process, right? Okay, this is the called it interval, interval. Okay, this block. And last time, okay, it's very interesting is display can be show up and the number, the production time, and the output, right? The throughput, how many throughput you got from your production line, right? NG mean no goods, right? And it's the finished goods, right? Okay, you can use the display. Okay, in this video I will show you more, you more function, you more benefits, benefit of the display. Okay, let me show you in today detail. I'm gonna teach you right now. Okay, you look at surf, uh, surf the internet first. Okay, the internet. Right? I surf the internet, right? I will uh, type the keyword OEE. Right? ODE is very important, right? Right, the measurement. You need to know about how good is your product, right? Performance, right? Okay, if you need to know about your product, right, is good or not good, and enough for produce the product, right? In all, it's a match, and in order to support about customer request, right? Okay, you need to measure. Okay, OEE is one tool of one tool of type, right? Okay, and to type is the important keyword. It's one of all. Okay, the OEE very, very important, right? Right, the index measure about uh, of efficiency, performance efficiency, performance efficiency of the production line. Okay, this one. Okay, it's a lot of benefit if you know about OEE. parameter, right? Parameter is the overall equipment effectiveness, right? Okay, this is stand for OEE. uh, it is the measurement, right? I told you before. It is measurement is uh, can be used for measure your production line after you design the production line, right? And the machine, how good the machine, uh, how is how is the available uh, your machine, available time or available working in the process, right? You depend on the real situation. You can set up the parameter in the object, right? Source, station, drain, and the station is maybe more complicated than the 2D model. The last video I show up, right? It's just only one station. It's very simple, right? Actually, in the factory, okay, a lot of the object, right? And on an object, okay, pass the MU material. MU material is the materials can be movable, right? Move one station to the another station to another station, and every station okay have the special parameter, right? Okay, try to set up the parameter like the real situation. Right? This is the key, right? The key, right? And the parameter uh, in the object, okay, a lot, right? Okay, show you a lot of the parameter, right? It can be set up, right? Set up for evaluating a real situation, even even if okay, the tool is not enough, maybe you use the method, you can coding if okay more complex, right? More complicated than the robot, not enough to support and make matching is the real, right? You can use the coding, right, to support is a advanced application, right? Okay, going to the OEE. Is component of the company have the component and have the component of OEE is look at and scroll down here and available in the machine lane. The machine lane can be available to use uh, to work, right, in the process. Variability, right, of your production line, and performance efficiency is the performance of the machine, of the station, right? Okay, you can set up the performance efficiency in the station. If my case I left just only one station, you can set up the performance efficiency, right? This is the one of three of the component, the OEE component, right? The quality rate is the last one of the component. The quality rate is quality rate is the product is how good is the product, what quality, right, in your production line, right, can be used for producing the finished goods, right? compare with the compare with the all of all material feed to your production line. Okay, how many raw material feed to the production line, and finally finally how many finished goods, I mean the goods come out from your production line, right? Okay, I call that quality rate. Right? Okay, look at more in this website. Okay, we show you about the formula of the OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, right? Okay, this one, uh, the variability, okay, is the time to work, right? To work, and minus is the machine cannot work, right? Cannot work, and divided is the time, the working time is the working time, all of this, right? Working time minus and the machine stop, it can be work, right? Okay, divided and the working time, right? Overall of the product. Okay, this one. Okay, second is multiply to the performance efficiency. Performance efficiency, okay, is the time of the standard time minus, okay, that machine it cannot work. Okay, maybe, okay, it failure it happened, and the machine or must be fixed, must be fixed, or use the time maintenance, right? Okay, you take the time, it cannot build up about the product, about its performance, right? Because the machine must be stopped because it fail, break it down, must take someone, okay, come in and fix it. And how long the person, how long the mechanic is used for solve the problem. Okay, that time is that time, okay, that time it's cut it off about performance, right? The time is standard time, and the machine time stop, and divided the working time of the machine, right? Okay, quality rate, right? This is the quality rate. Okay, on off the raw material feed to your system minus and a number of no goods, no goods, no goods come out of your production line. You found, okay, how many the product fail, product is it's not good, right? Not good. Okay, product is fail, NG, right? No goods, something, okay, divided on of the material feed to your product, right? Okay, you can find out about uh, the component value on of this, and today I will show you how to use the pen simulation. Pen simulation find out that value and what the parameter you need to find out in the object, right? Okay, how you use that value show up on your screen. Okay, today I will teach you. I'm gonna teach you like this all, and how to set up OEE and present and display on your work and your 2D model. Right? What is the OEE? Right? OEE more than the benefit is I told you past, right? And okay, you can use and you take OEE, improve your product as well, right? Because you have known, right? You must know about, okay, OEE in your production line and your machine is, right? And okay, you have known about this already. Okay, you can dive into every parameter. If you set up the parameter, right? Okay, in the how it affect, how that the parameter affect to the performance. Right? Okay, you can try on an error by using the simulator. Okay, let me show you, right, how we find out the OEE and take that value display on your screen, right? Okay, and right now you have known about how to use the user interface, right? How to use the user interface, right? This is user interface, right? Okay, and FG, right? You have known about all the FG, the display, right? How to show some parameter when you need, right? If you need to some parameter, you need to show up on this display, and you can find out by use the three dot after this blank box, right? Click on here, and okay, you can find out the value you need to display, right? Okay, you can click on that. Click on that parameter, okay, this one, and okay, you put in the comment, right? Okay, this time, and the last time, this time I will show you other, and okay, last time show you how to set up on here already, right? I'm gonna try to take some parameter in the session to display, right? Okay, and before that, I bring you to look at this. This is my presentation. This is the overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, right? And I show up on uh, website, right? And this, what is the OEE, right? Okay, I have shown you already. OEE, what is the OEE, right? You can read and learning and study what is the parameter is important in the production line, right? Okay, you must know about this. Okay, and this is a formula, right? Formula I showed you already. This is formula, right? I will take the parameter from the pencil, the object in the pencil operation. I will take some parameter, right? Okay, I will show you now. Here, it's A session variability, right? A, okay, because the OEE take the parameter variability, time, uh, time to the station, right? The performance efficiency, right? And this time for the passive operation, we call that parameter, right? You take from the station, and that's parameter called that station stat working portion. This portion, right? Okay, this is the performance efficiency P, right? And Q is the finished goods, right? Finished goods divided on the material feed to the machine, right? Okay, and how many finished goods which come out from the machine? Okay, it's Q, and OEE is on off three parameter multiply together, you will get the OEE, right? Okay, this the idea. Okay, how we set up the parameter and show up on the display object. Okay, I bring you to here. Okay, I dragged up this one, the station. Okay, this station. Okay, double click on the station. Okay, going to the station parameter. This is a dialog box, right? On the parameter you setting up is right now it's gonna be showing up on the display depend on the variable you need to show up, right? Okay, you must to set up at the display object, right? Okay, display object. Right now display object is gonna be show up this variable, right? Variable stat num in, right? If stat num in is the okay, when the product raw materials come in the station, I call that is stat num in. Right? Stat num in is show up on the display because you define the variable in this blank box, right? And right now I need to change this stat num into a variable parameter, right? Because this A, right? Okay, I will show A name A, and A equal, right? And the variable I will look at the three dot behind of the blank box. I click on here and find out, right? I scroll down, find to a variability. This is the variability, right? Okay, double click on here. Okay, you got the station variability in the path box. Okay, this is show up on here. Click OK. I forgot. Right? I forgot it's some variable you must set up, right? Because some value you cannot use as a parameter watch. Sorry, watch parameter. Double click on here again. Okay, this watch parameter you cannot set up. When you need to display variability, right, in the station object, right. Mostly you choose set the sample and watch it. It can be used a few of the object, right, a few of the data in the object, right, and mostly use the sample, right? Okay, in this case same thing, must use sample. Right? Sample is 1 minute interval is the sampling rate is interval the time use 1 minute, right? 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. If you need to very quick to grab some data when the process is running, okay, grab every 1 second, right, 1 second. And then right now I set up 1 minute, right. Okay, maybe you think about this, okay, longer. You must you must change to the short time more, right? Okay, you use 1 second. Apply. Okay, click OK. Okay, right now display show up the 50, right? Is a 50 variable, 50 variability is 50. Why 50, right? Okay, double click on the session, the failure I will set up. Failure mean, okay, in the time is not the working time, right, and running time is not perfect because 50% and machine it fail, right, that the variability show up 50%, right. That means your machine can be used running, right, running to produce the product, right. A variety time just only 50, like 50. If I change, if I take it off or change here to 95%, 95% variability, and use the 1 minute for maintenance, maintenance for fixing, repairing in the machine, right. Okay, I click OK, accept. Okay, click OK. This OK again, and the reset and play again. Okay, right now become to 95%, 95 ability, right. Okay, this one percentage, right. Okay, I set up the double click on here, divided 100. Okay, and 0 point blah 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 blah, right. Okay, like this 0.995. Next, display. Okay, that drop. I need to show up P, right, the performance efficiency. Double click the display. I set up P, right. Okay, and this P equal. Okay, sure, sure, sure thing. You must use setting up the sample mode, right. This mode should be sampling. Okay, it's 1 second, right. Okay, it is. And the variable must use. Okay, follow up in my presentation. I use this variable station dot start working portion, right, setting portion. Okay, find out that working portion, where is it. Okay, how to take that variable in the station. Okay, this So you move behind, click the three dot. Okay, that dot. S stat. Stat is the font letter. It's S, right? Okay, scroll down. This is a stat working portion, right? This portion. Okay, click here. Okay, like this portion. Try. Click OK. You got the value 0.2. Um, oh, very less. Oh, very less. Okay, I display because the decimal point, the significant behind of the and the decimal point is very long, right? You can set up display. Click on here and change to 2, right? 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit display the number of the number behind of the decimal point, right? How many figure, right? Okay, I set up to digit, okay. This value uh, very low. It's very low because in the station you set up about set up time, right? Okay, before running, before the machine running for producing about the product, right? Producing about the product, okay, must need about setup time in the machine, right? Okay, take 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and recovery after the machine done. Okay, use the 20 seconds to modify, to clean up, to setting up, to recovery time for build it again, right? Okay, use 20 seconds, right? Okay, this time is not it's not uh, defined about performance, right? It's not defined about the performance. That means it's all right, unuseful, uh, right? Unuseful about that. That means okay, take waste time to waiting about the machine start up and running and produce the product. Okay, this time it reduce the P, right? The P, performance efficiency. That means why the P, okay, very low value may show up on display because it's a time. And everything, every parameter displayed on the real situation, right? Okay, that means why I told you about OEE can be used for improving about your process, right? If you define about OEE, maybe 90%, 90%, okay, and the component of the OEE display and show up the specific variable of the object, and each object they define because maybe your process is more than one station, right here, right? Because maybe okay it's wrong the process line, right? Okay, composed of the many station, and every station have the specific variable is own. Okay, you can define and you can adjust the parameter. Okay, parameter is good enough for setting up. It's your goal set up 90%, right? 90%. Okay, you must reduce setting up time, you reduce recovery time. Okay, and you solve some problem is a failure happen, yeah, right? Okay, you must use more maintenance or something like that. Okay, that means why I told you about okay, OEE can be used for improving, right? Improving and modify about productivity as well. Productivity means Okay, productivity is very good. Okay, you possess line, and then your company, okay, can receive the order. They receive order very much. And order is very time on the way, and a lot of the order you can your product line support uh, high performance, and productivity, and productivity is very good. Okay, that means depend on OEE as well. Okay, failure, the failure. Okay, after this I show you and turn out and display and come back and adjust some parameter. Okay, later, right? Later. Right now pass first. Okay, focus on how to show the parameter depend on the performance, depend on Q quality rate, right? Depend on variability first. Okay, focus on how to display the specific variable. uh, okay, let me send it back. Q, right? Okay, so I bring you to the presentation again. Okay, right now we have done about station portion and Q. Q is the FG that num in, right? Stat station, stat num out. Okay, because uh, all the material, all the material feed to the due process, stat num out. On the raw material. This is the finished good. Finished goods, okay, show up and come in that mean okay, come in to the drain. The drain is the output, right? Okay, the output and the drain. My is one of two drain. I set it up and the model one FG, another. The other is MG, right? Okay, I how to find out the value display on uh, our skin. Okay, so my skin, there are two display at the drain object, right? Okay, one FG and two NG. Okay, I set up the new display here. Okay, that dog. Double click Q, Q, Q quality rate equal. Okay, set them out. Okay, I need because you feed, right? Feed come in. Okay, it's supply on of this is the product, all the product, right? Since the source supply to the production line and going to the station is done. Okay, and the result come out of the station, that is the product, right? Okay, split to one fish goods, two it's no goods, right? Okay, split it out and total is the out of the station, this is the product. Okay, the product is come out the station, they come out station. That means I need to grab the parameter from the station, the stat out, right? The set num out. Okay, click on here. sorry, set num out. Station. We call this station. Display the parameter at the station. This stat. Find out the set num out. Set num out. This one. Set num out. Double click. Okay, this set num out. And the formula need you compute delete on the formula. Formula is the set station set num out and finished goods, right? Finished goods. Okay, come back. Finished good. This display, right? Double click on here. Copy. This is a variable. It's copy. Copy. Press on this bang box, right? And divide it. Divide it. Okay. And this is something. Something is 1 minute. 1 second. Okay. It's an error. Okay. It's error. Okay. I double click on here. It's void. Double click on here. Something. It's something. And this something. Okay. The reason why the error report updated. Divided by 0, right? Okay, it show the message. The message. What happened in that command, in that box, the station block? The variable is made the big text. That means divided, division by 0. That means okay, start up and value start up and not yet compute, and the process running not yet, right? Because and first time before I running, and everything in the station never have the value, and have a value that set num out and become to 0. Become to 0 and divided by 0. Okay, infinite, right? Infinite. It's infinite value you got. That means okay, so you must set up and turn back result. So solve the problem by okay, plus one and okay, the parenthesis. And when you add one above, you must add one below, right? Okay, this is the normal, and you need to change some and rearrange the term to a natural form, right? Okay, if you multiply one above, you must multiply one below, and divide it above divided below too. Right? Okay, this one is same thing, and I add up above and I add up below term two, like this. Apply. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, I done this about is set up three value. Okay, last one. OEE, right? OEE. OEE. Okay, I will set up the name OEE. OEE. Display. This is display. It not depend on the station anymore because the station okay speed to the three display before APQ already, and this display OEE display okay not depend on the station anymore. Uh, this one this one just need need the value A P Q multiply together. Okay, I will show up uh, how to take the value in the variable A. Okay, I use the value variable multiply time is P E dot value multiply Q Q the sampling is one. Oh, sorry. Okay, dot value equal done. Read it. Simulate this parameter and all. Click hit play. The variable okay, and decimal place a lot, right? A lot. You need to this decimal place. To decimal place, you can set up by double click at the Q display and click on the tab display and set up to decimal place, right? Okay, apply and click OK, and this one same thing, going to the display and set up decimal place to okay, click OK and click OK. If you need to set up more and the more detail, right? Okay, I will set up the green color, the extra font size, right? Apply, okay. Yeah. And previous video I show you how to set up the more detail in the display, create the bigger size of the font, right? And the color is changed to custom color if you need. Okay, click on here and apply, play. You see P is very less, very low, right? Very low, that means because and inside of the parameter, the setup time there was the setup time, and the time is the recovery time and the setup time. Okay, is there were two parameters, not it's not useful, right? Okay, just it's create it's a waste time for this station. Setup time, delivery time. Okay, if you click on here and the tick box behind of the setup, and the term and apply again and return to the default, right? Okay, default. And right now I don't I don't need the station. Maybe I imagine I improve the step. Okay, right now I I don't use the setup time and recovery time anymore. Right now it's better because after improve the machine already. Okay, okay, ready to use, ready to work, to be working right now. Okay, prove it. Uh, how much the performance increasing. Okay, 91%. Oh, OEE up to 52%, right? To 52%. Okay. Right now, you see if finished goods and no goods. Okay, uh, it's not the finished good is not it's not good, right? Because it's very low. The finished good is very low, right? And the performance is not good of the machine because the build it and produce the product is no good. No good a lot, too much, too much. Okay, because no G NG no goods. Okay, approach and okay is a gap very low. It gap very low. It's better if you try to improve the station and the machine. Okay, build up the finished goods. It's good. It's up to more than this, more than this, and try to reduce the no goods, right? To roll as much as possible, right? And finish good, and it's good. Okay, increase the finished goods more. It's better, and cost to OEE increasing, right? Okay, try. Okay, if I use the some parameter and just write everything I need, right? Imagine I improve. I must be improving about the station and fix something. Cost to finish good increasing, right? Yeah, right. It's raise up. Double click on here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Double click on here and access. Exit mean the station come out. Yeah? Right? Okay, it's come out of the station product. And right now I use the percent, right? Okay, I set up the percent. Oh, okay, it cannot change anything because I forgot. Click click on here, right? On here, apply again. Apply playlist. Okay. 95 5 apply. Okay, apply. Okay, okay, increase. Okay, it's raised up to 82%, right? For 0.82, right? 0.82. Okay, very good. If I use the parameter, okay, I think it's very good. And okay, it's more comfortable to display, right? The chart, right? The pointer, right? Okay, let me bring you to the user interface, right? And okay, chart, right? Okay, I drag up to here, the chart. Okay. Click OK. Okay, chart, right? It show up on display, right? The graph. Bar chart. This bar chart, right? Okay, I bring you to simulate the parameter and show up on bar chart here. Okay, done. Okay, if the machine fail, right? The machine fail and waiting in never have waiting time and block. Okay, right now it no affect everything because I set up the machine parameter. Okay, never have the time, right? Okay, the set up time here. Okay, never have the setup time, never have the delivery time, right? And fail, still have, right? Still have the failure time. The failure time is a red color here. It will set up 20 seconds, 30 seconds, right? Okay. Okay, it's waiting time, long time, right? And this one, block, right? It's block, and this one is running 20%. Nearly 20%. If P very low, it dropped to 80, 18, right? 80%, right? Okay, it's waiting time more, right? Waiting time more, because waiting about is a set of time when did it the is a time done, the time finished, right? Okay, in waiting, it's waiting a set of time, waiting recovery time, and that means why the bar chart is show up on is very wide, right? Very wide, right? It's widerly like this. That means waiting time more. Okay, we'll click on here. Okay, it's turn backward. And here you set up. Okay, you click on behind, set up. Okay, then again. Okay, still have fail. If you click on the failure option, you click off, apply again, and reset and play. Okay, never have the failure. Never have the failure anymore. OEE 90%, right? And the 5% left, okay, not completed because it's a NG, right? NG 5%, right? 5% is the output. Okay, it's come out from the station. Okay, the FG 95%, 5% for no goods, right? No goods product. No goods product then cost to OEE reduced to 90% because use use the full time. Use full time is these products can you the production line can get about get the finished good 95%, and 5% left. Okay, it's gone, right? Okay, it's gone. It's not useful. The time to produce is no good, right? You take the time to produce no good 5%. It's not available, right? Not available. That means reduce the availability, right? Because it's not 100%, right? 95%. Okay, uh, you will get about the product completed, ready to deliver deliver to customer, right? And 5% cannot use. right? And okay, this is the west part, right? West part. So so far you have known about the effect. The effect is created from the parameter, right, in the station, right? Okay, it depends on the OEE, the performance efficiency, and OEE, the overall equipment effectiveness, right? Okay, it depend together. You can adjust everything. And the waste part, right? The waste part created by the finished good, right, and the no goods, and when the effect together, right, 5% like this. Uh, Okay, you review, right? Okay, set up on here. Uh, then on here, you try to use this program and put in the value and try on error and learning by doing. If you, okay, it makes sense or not, you can fill in about the parameter by yourself. Right? Okay, the failure. Right now, it's a failure happen. Okay, I click on here, failure happen. Okay, apply again. Okay, like this. And this the bar chart you can double click on here, display, if you need to put in about this window, right? This window, right, like the embedded to the main window, right? In the main window, you can display in the frame, right? Click on here, apply. Okay, right now the bar chart is uh, built into the mainframe already. Okay, I think click on here like this. Okay, double click on this one and reduce speed of simulation. Okay, oh, very quick, very quick. Okay, it's built in, but okay, it's uh, very small, right? Okay, you can set up this display. You can set up about this width mean with 8, right? 8 mean the space of the grid point, the grid point, the 6 grid point. Okay, 10, try 10, apply. Okay, bigger. Another type of the chart, you can set up and display, right, the line graph, right? Line graph. It's right. Okay, that's a way call that line graph, line chart. Right? Okay, right. The Potter type. Right? And this one, right, the bar chart. Okay, and mostly the OEE, plot on the line, right? The line graph is better and easy to look at the top. Okay, and the trend of the OEE, dynamics movement, right? It's a real-time movement during the simulator. It's running in your process, and the OEE is running, right? The real time. You can plot the trend of the line graph, right? Of the OEE value. Okay, I use the chart, another chart that got to here about here. Okay, double click on this. Okay, right now I need to show up the OEE chart and APQ4 value display on the chart, and that means I don't use about the data, right? I don't use about okay desktop anymore because I need to use the value. Okay, the value is not the value, it's come out of the station, right? Not come out of this display, come out of the source, come out of the station, right? And right now I need to use the value in the display and the display, right? Okay, I compare with it here. Okay, my landing. Compare this over here. Sorry, the session failure 90%. Okay, let me faster. Okay, got it's failure 5%. I double click on here. Normally, if you drag drop is the station going to here. Drag drop, okay, it automatic feed the data to this box command. Okay, I will show you on the data input input channel like this. Input channel is to feed automatically from the station, right? If you use that dot, okay, of course. And for display OEE, right? Okay, complete. The data is come from I cannot drag drop, right? Because I will try to get drag drop here, not responding anything, right? The data will have click on here, never have the data come in, right? That means if okay, automatic cannot use, you must use about manual. Manual, you can typing into the table, right? The table in the chart, right? Okay, you can put in by yourself. So I double click on here. Okay, display. I change to the Potter, and the data it's come in here. I double click on the table, right? Click on table. Click behind first. I'm gonna click this. Okay, click behind the tick box. Let's us let us let's add edit the table. Right, edit the table. You must set up click on the blank box one time, right? Okay, and going to edit. You can edit anything after you tick it box right behind of the blank behind of the input channel. Okay, I will set up a. Okay, let me copy it. P Q O E, and this A dot value P dot value Q dot value and OEE dot value. Apply. Okay, apply. Ah, okay, sorry. Okay, A value P value Q dot Q tab to another column. Q dot value. Click on OEE dot value. Okay, click like this. Apply. Okay, okay, I cannot use. You must to tick, tick right, tick in the blank box, right, and the tick box tick become to active like this, active, and before you change and edit some column, some cell in the table, right, and right now it's a pop up with error because it cannot show up by watch, right, by watch cannot, and mostly use the sample, and 1 second, and apply again. Okay, right, okay, I close it, close it. um, okay, double click on here, review again, apply, and you must show, you click right button, show up, show up. Okay, faster. Okay, set up 1 day. Reset back, set up is one. I will set up again, the uh, reset, set up utilization again, a trial and error. Look at the trend of the graph, OEE graph. Okay, I will set up, I close it first, reset, right, again, show up. What happened, what happened? Okay, we'll click on here. Oh, okay, I forgot, it's Waru, OEE dot Waru, apply. Close it first. We'll click again. Oh, okay. OEE.waru, enter time, right? Okay, apply. You must enter, right, when you fill in OEE waru in that field, in that cell. Again, the two column number 2 and row is 4, right? And you click on here and fill in the value you need, and you done. You click enter. Okay, enter and apply. Okay, okay again, close, and reset, and rerun, and show up. Okay, uh, okay, I use event control. Okay, from here, this is value from here. It's graph plotting. and stop, replay. You can click on here, display, label, right? Going to the label and the region, 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 it means okay, it show up what the value you will plot, right? Okay, show up and focus on one by one. The curve, what the color is curve number one is, okay, is explained by region. Okay, I will see this one, apply here, OEE and this thing, and title, you can add up OEE over here, and the color you can change, right? Okay, it's plot data, click OK, click OK. Click play again. Okay, look at the line, the line graph. Is a plotter, is a plot for value. Oh, this, and the graph is gone, right? Is the early graph or the startup graph. Okay, until here. Okay, before that it's gone, right? Okay, what happened? Okay, you're working on it. I think the sample is very is your is the detail too much, right? Because it's very quick, and 1 second grab one time, then maybe okay, maybe a lot of the data, right? It cannot it still the line, right? It's early line, right? It's still here, still there. It cannot, right? Because the data is a lot. That means okay, for refresh the display, right? And the data is startup data is gone, right? Oh, okay, let me use one minute. Apply. Okay, it's starting, right? It's starting is still here. Okay, it's gone, the same as the previous graph, right? Because the define is 1 second, it's very less, right? Very small, when very small is the data is a lot, because 1 second. Okay, I change to the 1 minute. Okay, now it still be there in the data in the period time starting. Okay, okay, the period time before is it never gone, it never gone already. Okay, I will suggest you about label. The label, okay, already have, and the color, right? The color you need to emphasize, right? Emphasize OEE command. I already data is on the graph plotter, right? We need to emphasize that. Okay, you look at it here. Okay, what the color is the OEE. Well, the color is gray, right? It's gray. Okay, I just change to trick, right? Trick, and the color I change to okay, to green. Click OK. Apply. Okay, you see here, green color. Okay, you need to emphasize. Okay, the data important, right? And you will need to know about what the trend the OEE is, or you need to look at and consider and analyze by your head. Analyze, okay, what happened in your process, your process and the production line. What the parameter, you need to improve it. You turn it back to the station and turn an error and reduce the setup time, reduce the recovery time, and fix it in a failure, right? A failure situation you need to reduce, right? Okay, because you need to less up about OEE value, OEE data, right? Okay, you do at this trend is reduced, right? And slow and die and drop down to here, 0.8. Okay, over here. Okay, what happened? You come back to adjust some value, right? Set some value and looking back to the data again. Okay, you use the tool for improving in your production line. By the way, I need to suggest you and bring you to here about what happened. What can I know about the parameter, the stat num in, stat num out, and stat working portion, right? How can I know about that? The variable, right? Okay, I will show you how I know about that variable. I show you this stat. I double click on the station and going to statistic, right? And it's working. Okay, you going to the question mark uh, and the corner top right your hand. Okay, click on here and go into working. Is working the station working, right? Station working. What the variable define about the station is working? Click on sorry, click on the percent, right? Okay, stack portion, right? You need to know about the station is working, how long is working, what the time the station is working, right? You click the question mark, click on the percent and show up. Oh, this is the stat portion, right? Yeah, stat working portion, that working portion, there. Right? And it show up this variable keep the time, the period time this machine working, is working in the production line, right? Okay, show up as that working portion. Okay, this and okay, exit mean out, come out of the station, right? It's come product, how many the product is come out, right? Okay, uh, you can use the question mark checking out about what the variable keep the data, the data is how many products come out, right? Okay, you click on question mark going to axis. Okay, set num out, right? That means why I know about set num out should be put in the data display data set num out, right? It show up set num out, right? This set num out the variable. Okay, keep input, right? Set num in or not. Okay, click the variable set num in, right? Okay, set num in. This is a variable. Okay, that means if you need to show up and in the display what variable you need to show up, okay, you can select on the okay, and you can cancel, sure, like this. You can use three dot behind of the part, right? Click on here and select on the variable, right? The variable, the variable. A lot of variable depend on your application, and what the value you need to know about how is the effect, how it affect your performance, the station performance, right? Okay, you can check it out by display. Otherwise, if you don't show up on display object, okay, you must find out in the statistic tab, right? You go in about the dialog box and use the statistic tab and okay, look up look up the data in that tab, right? Okay, what about is I have ever to show you use the process time, right? If you need to know about POC time in the variable use the POC time and the full name is the process time. If you need to show up on the display, okay, you going to select on the prop time, right? It show up on the display, right? The same process, right? That drag the display to your workspace, right? And drag the workstation and the station to the display, right? The same thing, and click the part bank, right? The part bank box. Okay, click the three dot and select on the variable you need to show up on the screen, right? Okay, this way to define the new variable and define specific variable you need to show up on the display. You can try an error and learning by doing and analyze by yourself. Okay, if you trying to set up the variable more in the station, you fill in the setup time, fill in the recovery time, and what happened in your system, how how your station is changed, the performance efficiency or not, and all total is the OEE change about, right. Okay, you need to analyze. Okay, set up time. If I fill in 2 seconds, 2 seconds, you click on here, and the recovery time 5 seconds here, right? And okay, going to this one, you need to, okay, it's one time to set up, right? One time to set up, and okay, begin the process, will you set up the time and finish on off the day, and the day is done, finish the day, right? Okay, you going to recovery one time, right? Okay, okay, so one time to set up and recovery, right? Okay, if you need to set up about two part before the next part come, right? Before the next part come in, okay, it's the set up time two part. If you set up is one, okay, every part you need to set up the time in your station in your machine, right? Okay, you take the waste time a lot, right? If you click on one day here, okay, click here, enough, right? And failure, okay, click on here, turn back and show up, click right button and show up and OEE partner here. Okay, reduce, right? Reduce to 60%. 60%. And okay, this is the body. This is the body of the green color line and green color curve, right? Okay, you see yellow is P is the reduce, performance reduce, and the OEE reduce as well. Reduce, you see it. Okay, if you go up and the increase, and when you raise up about the performance, and yellow and green color is it scroll up as well, right? and reduce both too, right? Okay, reduce is really bad. Is reduce, right? Because you need to fix it about the station and the time, reduce the time. Okay, optimize if you need to optimize that station, that the parameter, you need to try on error and try and prove it, right? Okay. So far you have learned about how to use the display for for computing about some value and some formula, right? You can take the formula and take a formula, right, and the display by using the display object, right, and put in the part, right, in this bank and calculate it inside, right? Okay, write the built-in calculator inside of this box, right? And that means okay, the display, okay, a lot of the utility to use for compute everything, even if the OEE, right? OEE and OEE can be used for making this decision about okay, how good your session, how good is the machine, how the performance your machine give you, right, in the production line, right? Okay, you can predict, you can use this value for improvement, right? Okay, and what about another value, right? Another is criteria, right? Use uh, beside OEE, you can concern about ORI, right? So ORI is the return about ROI, right? ROI. This is ROI, this is OE. This one, ROI. Return, ROI is the return on investment. Return on investment. Okay, this is the formula, right? And the profit, right? Profit divided and cross, all cross, right? In your process, in the production line, and the cross is human cross, and the machine cross, fixed cross, everything, and so on. Fixed cross, everything, and utilization, utility, something, right? Okay, the everything is a cross, right? And the profit divided is cross, on cross, right? Okay, this formula, okay, can be used for computing by uh, the display, and the display, right? Okay, like the OEE, right? Like the OEE is you can apply to use it, right? Okay, if you have some cross the material, raw material, what to call the material need, right? Okay, you can take that value, I take the value for computing about ROI, right? Return on investment, and output, right? And you can use the multiply, right? Multiply to uh, the cross, multiply to how many throughput you got, right? Okay, you multiply by the cross, the price, you set up the price, okay, you got about profit, right? And how many cross and raw material and fixed cost, everything, if you have known about the price, that clause, right, you can use the display calculated, in calculated everything in this box, right, and you show up on the display and take the comment, right, and explain that value is, right. Okay, you can use this way for calculating about the criteria, right, for matching or measuring about your process, your production line, right? Okay, okay, right now you ready to save this, save your file. Okay, and this let me close. Okay, this video I think okay, I have done everything I plan the detail to teach you now, right now, right? Okay, everything is done already. Okay, let me leave and this video over. Okay, thank you very much.